Welcome to the testing world. In this session, I'm going to cover course architecture, and the course name is Step by Step REST API Testing using Python in 200 minutes. We have developed this step-by-step course, and it is going to cover different ways to test REST API using Python programming. So first of all, I'll show you course structure and coverage. Moving to my course, so here if you notice, we have only few sections. In first section, I'm going to explain what is web service or API. Then in the second section, we are explaining to set up environment. Third, which is most important because when we are working on REST API, we are going to send input in the form of JSON, and also we are going to get response. In most of the cases, that will be in the JSON as well. So here we are playing with the JSON. Then we are moving to the REST API basics, like how we can start REST API testing. And once we are comfortable in that, we can go to the different methods in the REST API through Python programming. So here we are going for the delete method, we are going for post and put. And at the end, I have explained PyUnit, which is a unit testing framework for Python. And we have added exercise, like once you complete that, so whatever the test case we have automated previously without PyTest, now it's your responsibility to automate all these things using PyTest. That's the overall structure of the course, which is going to be completed within 200 minutes. Now, how to ask questions? As you are using Udemy, so you must be aware about Udemy has given us Q&A section. So you can ask your question anytime through Q&A section. How to check your knowledge? As you can see, I have added many tasks here. Like here we have a task for the user. Also, we are planning to add many more quiz, which will be useful for you to check your knowledge after each and every section. Continuous updates, that's most important. We are improving this course continuously. So every month we are getting a lot of response from the students. Also, we are monitoring all the topics that we can add in this course that will be beneficial for all users. Areas of improvement, that is most important for us. While going through this course, if you find any gap or you want some new topics need to be added in this course, you can use Udemy messaging option and can message me directly. Also, I would request you to give deserved feedback for this course. It's really going to motivate us to improve this course on the regular basis, to add new lectures. So I would request you, please provide deserved review for this course. That's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching this video.